The Queen Royal Entrance, you learn to move your chord from D chord to C chord, back and forth. Start from left hand D chord, go to C chord, back to D and tap. B, C, C, 1, 2, 3, 4, D, running walk, back to C, running walk, to D, D, C, C, 1, 2, 3. Now you follow the pattern and follow the numbers and put pedal on. Start from A, E, G, D, where they are fourth. A, E, G, D, E. Together, same pattern. A, E, G, D, E, D, E, A, E, D, E, A, E. Loud. Back to D chord, to C chord, tap. D, C, C, 1, 2, 3, 4. Running walk to C chord, running walk back to your D, to F, E, D. AVM means lower, read on the bottom. Slow version with